Hi there everyone at Gearbest. I'm Zach. This is my review on the HUAWEI P20 Lite. As you can see, I have it up and running right now. Um, Everything that I've pretty much encountered with the phone so far is, everything to the traditional smartphone, anything data transferable. I transferred from my old smartphone, which I'm using to record this now. This is the box it came in. Had sealing on it and everything, had insurance on the shipment. For those who are ordering one to the United States, they have not yet, for the HUAWEI, made a charging brick. So they will give you a European charging brick with an American outlet extension, which is no big deal. It's just a charging brick, and it still works. But, so, all in all, on this phone, it is super clean, super quick. I mean, like, 10 times quicker than any phone I've used. The screen resolution is beautiful, as you can see. Screen resolution's a little blurry from my recording, but you get the gist of it. It's pretty crystal clear imaging. Go back. I have my app drawer set up. You cannot use app drawer without setting it up in settings, but there you go. There's a little gist of all my little bits in there. We'll do a little view around on the camera. So this is like really clear. I'm sure you guys can see that with my finger. Hello. But yeah, all in all, this phone is really good. I highly recommend it to anyone who is interested in or looking into the phone. Read my description for my review if you'd like to know any subtle information about the phone that I didn't list in the video, and thanks for watching.